everyone. My room's dirty and we gotta clean it today. The thumbnail doesn't even do justice as to how disgusting my room is. I'm just gonna show you guys what the hell's going on in here because it's pretty bad. So let's walk in here. Yep. Look at that. Who am I and what is happening? These are all clothes and half of these are freaking clean. It's inside my closet. This is so bad. I don't even have an underpad on my bedding. I was supposed to wash it last night, but then I got too lazy, so I ended up just putting like this blanket over it and then sleeping with my bedspread over top. This is my dresser. So I literally have my Fiji water here, water bottles, some random chip dip that I didn't even use, Coke Zero, portable charger. I don't have a jewelry box, so this is all my jewelry, my skincare, my body spray, eyelashes, all my earrings, and like a random metal straw. I have some shirts here, more earrings. Oh my god, another Band-Aid. I'm so sorry. This is so gross. Then I have a random thing of water. Don't ask me why. I'm literally missing two of my drawers. They're in my office downstairs. Okay, actually I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna like pick up all the clothes on the floor and see what's dirty and what's not. I'm just gonna make this a freaking time lapse. I'm over it. Okay, that already looks a lot better. Alicia. Sup, girl? I hate myself. Okay, I need to get off my phone. First thing that I need to do before I start everything else, or like the laundry or whatever, I need to wash my bed. I'm gonna go put it in the wash. This is really hard to carry. Oh, okay. Like 10 a.m. now and I'm starving. I really, oh, my bunny sneezed, bless you. Sorry. And I think I might just order like an iced coffee from McDonald's. There's a bed that I have to get off, so. I ordered the coffee now. Okay, my floor, everything is basically taken off of it except like purses, shoes, and then stuff that I can vacuum. Your girl got McDonald's coffee, but without a straw, because she got a random metal straw in her room. I can genuinely say I have no clue where to start. My mom told me I put my jewelry in because I don't have a jewelry box. I think I'm gonna put my watch here. My watch. So in this one, I have this Swarovski necklace that my mom gave me. It's her old one and it's like real crystal. This one I have to make sure it's taken care of. My mom is like really into jewelry. I was like really into jewelry and lately she's just been giving me all her old jewelry that she doesn't wear, so I'm like down. These are Swarovski earrings as well. These are the earrings I wore. Like they're very, very little and I wore them when I was reopening the hole in my ear. So these are all my hoops. These are like the bigger ones that I only wear once in a while. These are my everyday hoops. These are my necklaces. This is the nice one from my mom. These are the two from Forever 21 in the back. This is my Swarovski watch and bracelet, my fake bracelets, and my earrings and rings. I have more rings downstairs, but this is it for now. Now I have to find a place where to freaking put this. Okay, I'm listening to Hannah Montana right now, but I think I finished. I think I'm done organizing my dresser. This is it. It's clean finally. Here I put the jewelry box. I have my headphones right there. This is kind of like skincare, some face masks. All my sunglasses are here and my metal straw in case I need. So this is a dresser. We are making progress. I just let my hair up for now just because like whatever, but my bedding's done, so I'm gonna go put in the dryer. You're so cute. Oh my god, hi. So I moved the table here where it's right underneath my calendar, so I have easy access to like the pens and markers that I need to track what I have to do every day. Here I have the pens that I have for my daily planner, and this is a journal that I have a lot of videos in there that I just check off that I have to do. These two parts are missing. They're downstairs in my office right now, so I'm gonna get those later. Now here, I think I'm going to put this shoe stand that I have in my closet, where I'm gonna put my Air Force Ones, where are they there, and my Doc Martens, my sandals, my boots. But for now, I'm going to do some laundry, so we're gonna grab this and go downstairs. So the first load I'm doing is like the clothes that I usually wear like every day, but this is the outfit I'm gonna wear to my event on Thursday. It's like cute sweater, these like dress pants that zip up. So that is all going in there. Yep, so back to my room. So my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it, but in the meantime, I'm just going to clean up this shoe stand I have and then put my shoes on it, so one sec. Oh my god, you guys, I am so happy with how my room's turning out. And here we have it. So here I have my brown boots that I usually like to wear in the fall, my Air Force Ones that I cleaned recently, and these are just like my everyday sandals. Here I have my heels that I have to clean because from last fall I wore them and I got some like salt on them. And there's a little bit of dust because I haven't worn them in a while. Here I have my new Doc Martens, ooh sis, and my other heels that I also have to clean. I just want my shoes to be in my room. I don't want them to be all over the house or at the front door where other people can like step on them. And our chair with our purses. This is where I'm gonna put like my laptop, my textbooks, my notebooks, my everyday purse, and then this is just like purse if I'm going somewhere quickly and it's not fancy. And then this is just my closet, you know, nothing special. I don't really use my closet because most of the clothes that I wear on like an everyday basis, I put them in the basement on the clothing rack I have down there. I do my makeup down there, so I just get dressed down there. I'm gonna go grab the bed sheets. We're gonna do up the bed and we're gonna do the final room reveal. I'm so excited. I've been working on this for like 5 hours. You guys don't even understand how bad my room was. I've had to vacuum like 6 different times. Let's do this. Okay everyone, this is the final room. Ta-da! It's so clean! Holy crap, that looks so different than how it looked before. The bed is done, the dresser is clean, the shoe rack, the purse, the closet, the calendar area. I don't think you guys realize how freaking happy I am that this is finally clean. It has literally been like, what time is it? So it's been 6 hours, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my room. Hopefully my room doesn't get messy again. Because I kind of don't want to do a part 2 because I don't want it to get messy, but I know it's going to be messy. So if you guys want to see another video of me cleaning my room, let me know. This was actually really fun to record the process so I could actually see the before and after. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button. Please subscribe and please follow me on Instagram at Tanya Breger. Post notification shout out will be right here. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.